Welcome back, everyone. If you're a blogger, business owner, or entrepreneur who's been thinking about launching a website, then you've landed on exactly the right video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to get the best possible deal on Hostinger, one of the most popular and affordable hosting platforms out there. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly break down your two discount options. The first is my personal hosting a referral link, which gives you a flat 20% off on any hosting plan. No codes, no hassle, just instant savings. The second option is the coupon code student15, which gets you a 10% discount at checkout. The choice is simple. Go with the referral link and pocket that extra savings. So let's get into it. Head down to the description box below this video where I've listed my referral link organized by country in your local language and currency. Just find your country, click the link, and you'll land straight on Hostinger's official website with the discount already locked in. Once you're on the site, look at the top navigation bar and click on Products and Services. You'll see the full range of Hostinger's hosting plans laid out right in front of you. And the great news is my 20% discount applies across all of them. For this walkthrough, I'm going to click on web hosting, and from there I'll be selecting the business web hosting plan just to show you how the process works. When you reach the checkout page, you'll notice the 20% discount has been applied automatically. No need to enter anything manually, clean and simple. One important tip before you complete your purchase, always use a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before. This ensures the referral discount goes through without any issues. If this video helped you save some money today, drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more hosting deals, tips and tutorials. That's it. See you in the next one.